In this video, you will be learning about the basic concepts of Tableau. What are all the different products available under Tableau? How to connect different data sources using Tableau. And this video is mainly meant for the beginners, those who do not have any basic knowledge about Tableau. Let's get into this video. What is mean by Tableau? Tableau helps people to see and understand data. It helps in simplifying the raw data in a easily understandable format, and it is loved by non-technical users to prepare reports since it doesn't require any programming skills or any coding language. It is widely used in business intelligence industry, and it is one of the powerful tool where you can create charts, dashboards, etc. So what are the different types of Tableau products available? Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Reader, and last one is your Tableau Server. These are all the different Tableau products available. Here they have classified different Tableau products into two tools mainly. First one is your developer tools, second one is your sharing tools. So under developer tools, we can categorize this Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public, where we can create charts, we can generate reports and create dashboards using developer tools. Whereas in sharing tools, we have this Tableau Online, Tableau Server and Tableau Reader, where we can share the reports that were created using developer tools. Then what are all the features of Tableau? The main features of Tableau are data blending, real-time analysis and collaboration of data. What is mean by data blending? Data blending is nothing but where we can combine data from multiple sources to a single data view. So then what is the difference between this data blending and join? So when we are creating joins in Tableau, we can see the duplicate data or data that has been repeated in several rows. Whereas in data blending, we just bring the data sources together in a single view or in a single Tableau worksheet. So in this video, we will be learning about how to download and install Tableau Desktop, how to connect different data sources. So here under Tableau Desktop, we can classify this into personal and professional. Under Tableau Desktop Personal, the versions that are available can be kept private. Say for example, your workbook can be kept private and access is limited. Whereas in professional, you can just publish them online or in Tableau server. Here they have explained what is mean by primary and secondary Tableau data source. Primary data source is the main table, whereas the secondary data source is the additional table. The data from the primary data source is the main data where the Tableau defines graphs and charts. What are the three basic steps to use Tableau Desktop? First one, to connect the data. Second one, play around with the interface, and third one is to create data visualizations. Now, how to install Tableau? Step 1, go to Google, type Tableau, click Tableau Desktop. After clicking Tableau Desktop, start a free trial which is given at the blue icon. Next step, you just download the file, download the free trial which has been given for 14 days. Run the .exe file which is shown at the bottom. The installation will be under progress. Whichever you are installing is nothing but your Tableau 2023.1.2 version. Next step is to type an email ID to complete the registration process. Once you type the email ID, you just click register. Now your registration will be completed. Then you click continue. Your page will appear like this. So now you have done with your installation part. Now how to connect the data source. So you can see at the top left corner connect pan will be available. So just go to that connect pan. Under saved data source click sample superstore. So this sample superstore is available in all the Tableau versions where you can see the sample database. Once you select the sample superstore, your screen will appear like this. So here you could see drag file here. You have to use it. So from the data pan, drag order date to the column self. You have to click the second tab nearby to the data source tab. So from the pan again drag the cells to the row self. So like this, if you want to create any charts or if you want to show any charts, you can just add more categories if you want, even your sales or any other subcategory if you have. So here once you drag everything, you can see the line chart created automatically by Tableau. So this is your chart view. So we have added this year category sales. So if you want, you can add a subcategory also. This is your final step. So you can see the charts. So after you add everything, Tableau will automatically create the charts and it will be shown. So this is your basic step, how to drag the file, how to connect to different data sources. So in this video you have learned about the basic concepts, how to download and install Tableau desktop trial version, how to connect to your sample data source, how to create a chart in a view that works for you, and how to add different fields to get the right level of detail in your view. Thank you.